I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Changing your email on Saxo Bank is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your Saxo Bank account. Start by accessing your Saxo Bank account through the website or mobile app. Enter your credentials to log in. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, find the Account Settings option in the menu. This is usually located in the top right corner of the dashboard. Step 3. Select Email Preferences. In the Account Settings, look for Email Preferences or Contact Information. Click on this to access your current email settings. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new email address in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos to avoid issues later. Step 5. Save changes and verify. After updating your email, click the Save Changes button. You may receive a verification email at your new address. Follow the instructions in that email to confirm the change. Remember, if you don't see the verification email, check your spam folder, it might end up there. Good luck with your email change, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions.